Hello dear friends, welcome to Aditi Storyteller channel. Do you know what is special about today? Yes, today is World Earth Day. So, I'm going to tell you some important and amazing facts about World Earth Day. We are also going to know about the importance of Mother Earth. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April throughout the world. The first Earth Day was celebrated on 22nd April 1970 to protect the Earth from climate change, pollution, and over-exploitation of natural resources. It was founded by the United States Senator Gaylord Nelson. It takes place each year on 22nd April. It now takes place in more than 193 countries around the world. Earth Day is an annual celebration honoring the achievements of the environmental movement and raising awareness of the importance of long-term ecological sustainability. During Earth Day, the world encourages everyone to turn off all unwanted lights. World Earth Day inspires millions of people around the world to share the ideas about environmental issues and to take some concrete action to protect the environment. Every year, World Earth Day is celebrated around the globe with a theme in order to focus the attention of public about the various environmental issues. It's known as the International Mother Earth Day around the world. Earth Day went global in 1990. Earth Day was renamed officially by the United Nations as International Mother Earth Day. Now, I'm going to tell you some interesting facts about the Earth. The other names of the Earth are Gaia, Terra, and the world. It is believed that Earth is supposed to be 4.5 billion years old. Almost 70% of the surface of the Earth is covered with water. Hence, it is called a blue planet. Earth has an atmosphere containing 21% of the oxygen that helps in the survival of living beings. Gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen in the Earth's atmosphere helps the plants to grow. The Earth revolves around the Sun in 365.25 days. The 0.25 days add up to form the extra day every 4 years as a leap year. Today, on Earth Day, we should promise ourselves to protect the Earth by the following ways. First way is to follow the 3 R's: reuse, reduce, and recycle. We should also switch off all unwanted lights and fans off. We should also save our water and use it well. We should plant trees and also spread awareness about protecting the environment. We should avoid using plastic bags and use cloth or jute bags instead. We should never litter and always throw the trash in our dustbins. Happy Earth Day everyone! I hope you've learned a lot about Earth Day and Earth and how to protect our Earth. If you like this video, then please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you in my next video. Please keep protecting our Mother Earth.